2012 F350. Customer came in complaining of exhaust noise, kind of a weird noise in the engine. What we found is on this side of the manifold, we've got a broken bolt, maybe multiple. We can see at least one. So we're gonna go ahead and replace his exhaust manifolds and bolts. On these guys, the exhaust manifolds have a tendency to warp. They'll put stress on the bolt and it'll snap the bolt off, and then you'll have an exhaust leak and have the complaint that we've got right here. Before we did all of our repair, you'd hear a loud hissing noise or a really loud engine tapping noise. Now it sounds like a normal diesel.